Hi everyone, this is Casey, Silver Slayer's mom. As some of you may or may not know, I was diagnosed with breast cancer in April of this year. I had surgery in May and then started my chemo the end of July. I will be finished with my chemo on October 1st. Yay, I get to ring the bell. I'm so excited for that. Hasn't been too bad, just been a little sick here and there. But I wanted to thank you all for your donations. They mean so much to me, for not even knowing who I am and just giving out of the kindness of your heart just because you know someone's struggling. It just means the world to me. I know Silver Slayer's been very thankful for it as well, but I just wanted to let you guys know from the bottom of my heart, it meant so much. It was able to help me concentrate on my health and not have to worry about working throughout this process. It's been one hell of a journey, and I'm going to keep fighting, and I've got 2 more surgeries to go and a little bit more stuff to do, but I just, again, want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Hi.
That video hit me extremely hard, and it's still fresh because she just sent that to me 5 minutes ago. I asked her to do an update video because I've seen a lot of you asking how she's doing. But for some reason, that hit me really hard. I see her almost every day, but just hearing her express her gratitude to you all that don't even know her is just, I can't even explain it. You know, my mom had me when she was 17, right when she turned 17, 16 years old most of her pregnancy. And she had 3 other kids. I'm the oldest of 4. She's been a single parent since she was 17 years old. And we had a good life. Like, I don't understand how someone who's gone through what she has throughout her entire life since a teenager and now going through this and still being as positive and happy as she is. I don't get it. I don't get it. I mean, I'm taking this harder than she is. But with all you, this has been a lot easier. I can vent. You guys liking the video, sending me mail, emails, comments, donating to her. That's what's getting me through. Without this channel, without you all, I honestly would be in a very, very dark place right now. Very dark place. And that's not a that's a fact. My siblings, they're taking it hard as well, and there's other family problems as well going on right now. My aunt just had to have her leg amputated. She was having heart failure, and that happened yesterday. The surgery was yesterday. So this is by far the hardest time for our family. And it's just mind blowing that one of the things that has helped us the most is from random strangers on my channel. And I wouldn't even consider you strangers anymore. Just a digital family. You know, this channel started off as a silver stacking channel, just sharing coins I liked and unboxing videos. But it's turned into something much more than that. You know, I can't just say thank you. I can't just give away thousands of dollars of silver as a way to show my gratitude. That's nothing. That materialistic is nothing compared to how I feel and how grateful I am for all of you. I don't even know what to say. I I'm just I don't even know what to say. I hope you all continue to watch my videos and just be a part of this journey. I try to make the best videos I can, and just share my experience and what I've learned along the way. And I just hope that you all enjoy the videos and look forward to watching my videos. I want to bring joy to you as you have brought joy to me and my family. That's the only way I feel like I can give back is just creating something that you all look forward to on a daily basis. Um, I'm at a loss for words. I think for the first time in my life, I'm at a loss for words. I could go on about anything and everything, but right now, I'm at a loss for words. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart. We all thank you. And it's just crazy that you guys are the biggest part of this whole journey and making it the the easiest for us. The amount of stress we would have without your help would have made this whole thing almost impossible to deal with. I just can't thank you all enough. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. I love you, Mom. And I guess I'm going to start working on another video now, because just sitting in silence, getting lost in my thoughts is the worst thing to do, and I know that from experience. So I'm going to try to make another video for you all to enjoy, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. Peace.